Hi, huge welcome to Foot Anstey. Some of you may know me already. I'm Nick McClelland, and should we get the pleasure to work with you in the future on your reward and benefits project, I will be your account director. Today we thought we'd take an opportunity in a bit of a different way to give you a little bit of a tour of our office here in Westminster, and in a few minutes time we'll take you upstairs to meet each of the different teams that hopefully will work with you on your project. Okay, so welcome to our reception area. If you do get the chance to come and visit us, you will be met by the delightful Amy on reception, and hopefully that will be at some point in the near future. What I'd like to do first of all is take you through to the relationship team, who are really the first team that you engage with at Thomsons, and that includes myself in that as your account director. So we'll just make our way through and give you a bit of a vision into the relationship team here at Thomsons. So, relationship team here really is designed to be your first line of support when it comes to working with you on an ongoing basis. And importantly to us, it's really important that our clients perceive us as their partner when it comes to their benefit and reward strategy. It'll be my responsibility as your account director. You'll also be assigned an account manager as well that will work with you on an ongoing basis throughout the relationship that we have together to strategically guide you with regards to your employee benefits and reward program. And that might be in the first instance to get things off the ground and running, but then on an ongoing basis to ensure that project is continually emphasized to your employees. What we're going to go to next is the project team, and the project team are really there to work with you initially whenever we sort of commence the project, right the way through to delivering the online benefits platform for you. So we'll go up there and have a look at the moment. The first thing I thought we'd show you is our awards, which we've positioned here in reception as well. As you can see, we've won awards for a variety of different things, and we'll include those in our tender response, but we really are very proud of what we've achieved, and probably more so because we've achieved it for all different areas of their business. And one of the things we really want to emphasize is that Thomsons are a very different business to anybody out there in the benefit and rewards marketplace. This is our project team area, where everybody from the implementation consultants who work to configure the technology through to the project managers who will help manage the project both from your end but also on our end to pull together different resources, and some of our more specialist consultants including our pensions team and health and wellbeing brokers who would work specifically focusing on your annual renewals, for instance, and also any pension amalgamation or harmonisation work that we undertake as part of this whole agreement. Generally, these people in this room will work with you throughout the duration of that initial project, and then on our ongoing relationship, as and when myself as your account director and your account manager feel necessary, we'll incorporate these team members back into the specific project we're looking at that particular time. Before we go up and meet our development team who actually configure and design the technology here at Thomsons, as we call it Darwin, what we thought we'd do is introduce Foot Anstey to our values as a business. And this was an exercise we undertook about 18 months ago to understand from our employees' perspective, but also from our clients' perspective, what they think of us as a business and what we think of ourselves as a business. And there were a variety of names that came out in terms of the way that we approach working with other businesses. But ultimately, our three core values are written here on the wall for us to remember, which are being brilliant together, challenging everything and delivering excellence, and maximising potential. And every person you meet at Thomsons is driven to achieve those core three values. And we've got various reward and recognition schemes within the business that are based around these three values in particular. Welcome to our development centre here at Gordon House. One of the key differentiators we believe that we have as a business is the fact that we develop our own technology, Darwin, right here in the same building as I sit and other consultants who you'll meet during the course of the project. This is the development team, and as you can see along the back wall, we've got live feeds coming in as to the performance of our technology, but also on the very back wall you'll see a whiteboard with our roadmap. And it's really important because our roadmap is driven not just by the people here in this building, but also by you, the client, and most of the ideas that we've had have actually stemmed from a combination of our consultants working together collaboratively with our clients to understand what's important to them, and each development that we make is constantly updated throughout the year. Our development team is based here in London, but also we actually have an office in Singapore, and effectively that now gives us near 24-hour-a-day development time. What's not finished here in the UK can be passed over and carried on through the night. So in terms of speed of development, we believe this is the quickest way that we can create a product, if you like, that suits all of our clients' needs. Okay, so you've just seen our development centre here at Gordon House, but what we'd also thought we'd show you is our training suite here as well. We have dedicated in-house trainers who both coach our employees when it comes to benefit training, knowledge of benefits themselves, but also our new joiners need to learn how to use Darwin, the system itself. And so we host every day internal training sessions within this room. Importantly though as well, our clients also come to us after launch to be trained on how to use Darwin the system themselves. You asked in your tender response whether this was something that was possible, and absolutely, we would say the vast majority of our clients run through this simple administration process that Darwin offers each month by themselves, and that's helped with the training team here at Thomsons, who will give you a good full day of training as to how to use that technology. The other option you have, of course, is that you outsource the administration to ourselves. Some of our clients utilise that option as well, and in a moment or two we'll take you downstairs to visit the ongoing servicing team, who are there really to help with that day-to-day administration as well. So finally, here we are in our ongoing delivery team area, who work very closely with our relationship team in terms of the ongoing servicing that you receive as a client. Importantly, everything, including our helpline and help desk for your employees, is also based here in Gordon House at our head office. Everything that they do is actually monitored. As you can see on the screens over here, we've got some of the statistics that appear each day for our teams to actually monitor their success against the service level agreements that we agree with you. Importantly as well, this team is really focusing on ensuring that client satisfaction is the top of their agenda. When we get to talk to you about something called the ultimate question in the future, you'll understand that client satisfaction is incredibly important to our business. We were very lucky whenever we got to move into Gordon House that we got to actually have a real input in the design, and a lot of it, as you can see, is based around 3 different floors and 3 of the core teams that work here at Thomsons. Importantly though, we also managed to get installed a bar here for a number of reasons. One, it's a great opportunity for us as a business to get together and celebrate whenever things are good, but also a great opportunity for us to give regular updates to our employees as well. Another great way we use it is for regular client seminars, where we invite our clients up to Gordon House to meet other clients and engage in conversations there, but also we're obviously able to entertain in the same space as we host those. In addition to the bar here, we actually twice annually, hold something called the Reward Club Day, which is another excellent opportunity for all our clients to get together. It's typically held in a London hotel, where we come together and discuss what the future of the technology holds, and also other innovative benefit ideas that are within the industry at that time. And hopefully, if you do become a client at some point in the future, we would love you to take part in those days at that time. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to listen to me today and in showing you around. We hope you've got a real flavour for who Thomsons are as a business. And also thank you once again for giving us the opportunity to discuss further with you and really tell you a little bit more about us as a business as part of this whole process. The last thing I'll do is hand over to Chris Bruce, our Managing Director, who you've met previously down at your offices, and he's got a special message from our annual conference this year, which will hopefully give you further insight into the type of business we are. Thanks.
Hi Rebecca and Sarah. As Nick just told you, I am at our company conference, and a really great opportunity hopefully to provide you with a further insight into our world. Every year we take everybody out of the business for 2 days in order to understand what we need to do together to continue to grow our business and really look after our clients. It's been a really great conference. It's called Peak Performance, and this morning we've had 4 of our clients up on stage answering questions from people in the business about what we need to do in order to really look after them and to really understand their world and what the impact is that we make on it. So it's been a really, really good conference, and it finishes tonight with a fancy dress competition. And so hope very much that we are going to be successful in this round. You know how much we want to work with you, and hopefully Nick and I will get the opportunity of coming and seeing you in the next stage.